Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator. This is 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4. 27 is simply, this is 3 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of 5. Minus this is 3 to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of 4. If you have a power x raised to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So you multiply this, This is 3 to the power of 15 minus 3 to the power of 12. So all we can do is express this 15 as summation of 10 and 5. So we have 3 power 10 plus 5 minus this is 3 power 10 plus 2. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So we apply same here and same here. That means we are going to have 3 power 10 times 3 power 5 minus 3 power 10 times 3 power 2. So what we can do will be to factor 3 power 10. Have 3 to the power of 10 times this divides 3 power 10. Have 3 power 5 minus this divides 3 power 10. Have 3 power 2. From here, have 3 power 10 times 3 power 5 is simply 243 because 3 power 2 is 9, 3 power 3 is 27, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 is 81 times 3, that is 243. We have 243 minus this is 9. So we have 3 to the power of 3 times 243 minus 9 will give us 234. That's 234. We have 234. So from here, you need to find the value of 3 power 10. Remember, 3 power 10 is 3 power 5 to the power of 2. That is 5 times 2 is 10. And just like I said earlier on, 3 power 5 is 243. If you raise it to the power of 2, this will be 243 times 243. And to multiply this out, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12 to carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12 to carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up 9, 4, 28, this becomes 19. This is 594, 9. So this is 594, 9 times 2, 3, 4. We need to multiply this out to get our final answer. All right. 594, 9, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 9, that is 36. 6 carry over 3. 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19. 9 carry over 1. 4 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1, we have 1. 4 times 9, again, 36. 6 carry over 3. 4 times 5, 20 plus 3, 23. Okay. 3 times 9, 27. 7 carry over 2. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14. 4 carry over 1. 3 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 3 times 9 again, 27. 7 carry over 2. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So we proceed to 2. 2 times 9, 18. Have 8 and carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 0, that is 0. 2 times 9, 18. 8 carry over 1. 2 times 5, that is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Let's add up everything together. 6 plus this, we bring down the 6. 9 plus 7, 16. We have 6 again. And carry over 1, add here 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 and carry over 1, add here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 and carry over 1, add here. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 and carry over 1, add here. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 18. 8 and carry over 1 and add here. 2 plus 1, 3, and this is 1. So this becomes our answer. This is 13,817,466. So 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4 is 13,817,466. And remember, 27 is 3 power 3, this is 3 power 3, so 3 power 3 power 5 minus 3 power 3 power 4 will still give us the same 13,817,466. And if you multiply this exponent using a power n equals a power n times n, you have 3 power this is 15 minus 3 power 12. This also equals 13,817,466. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it without the use of calculator. I believe you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.